guys, it's Dev, and welcome back to my channel. And for today, papakita ko kung ano naman ang Kikay Kit ko. And here is my Kikay Kit. And I got this patch from Miniso, and nakasulat dyan, work hard and play harder. So, this pouch has a bigger one and it only costs 99 pesos. So, I usually use pouches to organize my stuffs para hindi magkagulo-gulo sa bag ko. So, wala nang dadadada. Let's start it. So, first thing that I have is this sponge. So, I use this kasi ayokong gumagamit ng foundation. So, sticky kasi yung feeling sa pag naglalagay ako ng foundation sa mukha ko. So, pag nagpapawis na ako, sobrang lagkit, parang ayun, gusto mo na maligo kasi sobrang pangit sa feeling. So, I use this kasi mas hindi siya heavy sa face. And pag nilalagay mo siya, matagal bago nagiging oily yung mukha mo. So, as you can see sa mukha ko, I use this one. And next one is this one. Dahil kilay is life, so I have this Nichido brow pencil in the shade of dark brown. So, dark brown na yung kinuha ko kasi nung grade 12 ako, bumili ako ng black and hindi ako marunong magkilay nun. So, sobrang kapal ng kilay ko nun. And, ayun, so, sabi nila dapat dark brown para mas maging accurate yung kulay ng kilay sa hair mo. And, ayan. Basta ayan. Tapos, before putting lipstick or lip tint on my lips, I use this lip balm and in the shade of red. Ayan. So guys, I also have this gel sponge or ewan ko kanang tawag. So, I use this to blend the lip tint that I put on my cheeks. So, kita nyo nga to. So, ewan ko kung nakaka-relate kayo kasi ito yung ginagamit ko na pang blend dito sa cheeks ko. So, I use this na kasi ayoko naman na tatanungin ng ibang tao, wow, ba't nagka-stain? So, ayun. So, I have this Nichido eyebrow gel. Yan. So, dahil kilay is life, ayaw mo mabura or gusto mo mag-last yung kilay mo throughout the day. So, put this eyebrow gel and maganda siya kasi clear yung color niya and ayun. Basta ganun. So, I also have this Everbelena matte lipstick in the shade of Dust. So, let's swatch. So, this one is the shade. So, guys, hindi ko kasi talaga bagay yung mga dark colors. So, mga bagay ko lang mga pinkish, ganon. Hindi ko din bagay yung sobrang red. So, I usually use pink, a mix of pink and red, or a pink shade of my lipstick. Ayan. So, last one that I have is this sharpener. So, kung naubos na yung sharpen part ng eyebrow pencil mo, since eyebrow pencil yung ginagamit mo, so, wag ka munang bumili ng bago. Tasahan mo muna. So, I got this para pantasan ng eyebrow pencil. So, let's put all together. So, guys, this is my makeup kit. And as you can see, very accurate or very estudyante ang aking makeup kit. And that's all for my video today. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Bye.